Alright guys, I'm going to be recording this video for mindset part 2. How do you overcome your mindset and emotions, right? So you already know that greed, fear, and hope, they can really affect your decisions, perceptions, and ability to win the trades. So how do you overcome them? So greed, in order to overcome that, you have to think in terms of percentage. You know, how much percentage are you risking, how much you're getting out of, and you have to think in terms of pips rather than money, right? Rather than thinking that you're risking $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, just thinking pips like 10 pips, 30 pips, or like 4 pips stop loss, right? And when it comes to trading, what I've realized over this year was that risk to reward ratio. It doesn't really matter how much pips you're getting, but rather it's more important to think in terms of risk to reward ratio. And I'm going to show you right now. So over here, as you can see, this is the risk to reward ratio as if you're entering from April 4th, 2019 at 4:30, which is the 1 hour after when the New York session happened, right? So as you can see, the price came down to the level of the neckline retest right here. Again, neckline retest happens all the time, guys. And it has dropped about 3 levels in 1 hour chart, and this is 15. So if you entered here, you're going to be risking 6.5 pips, right? And if you hold it to the previous high of the day, or when there's the candlestick like that, and also bull candle, 2 bull candle follow to that, usually I take profit around there. Usually I take profit on the initial high of the day, previous high of the day, but then when this happens, I thought this was really helpful to get from here. So in this case, 32.2 pips is your take profit. So your risk to reward ratio would be 4.95, which is roughly about 5. So 5, that means you're going to risk 1 and you're going to get 5. So if you risk 3%, what's 3 times 5? You're going to get 15% in return, right? So that's very important, guys. And fear, in order to overcome the fear, you have to backtest yourself and then also boost the confidence from that, right? And hope, you have to have a clear pip goals, strategy, stop loss, and take profit. So when it comes to take profit though, if you get advanced, rather than just having a 50 pip take profit point for beginners, you can actually swing the trade. Or if you trade from level 3 like this, you can actually see the price is going to go up, right? Big head and shoulder, as you can see. Made a double top, came up. It's going to still come up because this is level 1, 2. Actually, no. This is reset 1, 2. It's going to come up 3. And this is 4-hour resistance. And it's going to come down again. Makes the triple top, perfect setup, and come down. So just like that, guys. So you have to know the clear pip goals, strategy, stop loss, and take profit. And I'm going to go over with this too because I thought this was super helpful in order for you to have a confidence in your trade and be at ease when you're making the decisions. And guys, if your risk to reward is 1 to 3 for every single trades, you only have to win 3 times out of 10 trades. That's crazy, right? So risk 3% each time trading, and you're always getting back. When you win, you're going to get back 9% because it's 1 to 3, guys, right? So if you win 3 times and lose 7 times, how much are you getting in? You're earning about 6% increase in your account. So if you have 10 grand, 6% would be $600. That's crazy, right? You only have to win 3 out of 10. And with this strategy that I'm going to be going over with, you can easily aim around 7 or 8 if you become super selective with how you trade, right? So that's what 7 out of 10 or 8 out of 10 is about 54% or 66% increase in your account each each time you trade 10 times, right? And if you're really good and you can get like 9 out of 10, then you're getting 78%. But again, guys, risk to reward ratio is 1 to 3, but sometimes you can aim like 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio or even more. I had risk to reward ratio 1 to 30 in one day, and that literally doubled my account in one day, right? So that's pretty crazy. So when you lose, right, keep the losing at 1, right? Always only lose 3% of your account. But then when you win, if you know the fact that the profit's gonna go up or it's gonna be in profit more than 3, then keep it. Just keep moving your stop loss until it hits, right? So if you guys have any questions, let me know. I hope this really helped you with the mindset and then being able to take your trades with the confidence, because you only have to win 3 out of 10. And when you think about the trade, guys, always think about in terms of percentage pips, risk to reward ratio, right? And backtest. And also always have pip goals or strategy that's really, really clear to you. All right, guys, thank you.